Well guys, stop going to the mechanics for this. Let me make it very clear. We have this beautiful launch CRP123E. It's the V3.0 and we're going to do a quick review, go through everything and we'll nail it as we go along. So this is how it comes. We've got it in this beautiful box. It was already packaged in another box as well, guys, which if we go along here, this is the box it's coming. And I'll put the link in so you guys can grab one. But before we go anywhere, let's rip it open and have a look. It comes in this black box. It's quite, not hard, but it's decent. It comes with the manual book. This is the machine itself. Pretty handy. I like it. It won't break, I promise you. Well, I'll give it a try, hey? From, I don't know, let's just say we dropped it from this sort of height. Are we ready? I don't know. This is risky, guys, but hey. There we go. Let's get to it. And let's turn it on. There we are. All works. Look at that. This is exactly what we need. Anyway, back onto our topic, guys. So we've got this Type-C. We've got this, which goes into the vehicle, OBD. And this end goes to the very top here. So, guys, here we are. We've plugged into the vehicle. We've got the wiring. We've got it into the OBD. Now, we're going to do the real deal and see what it's capable of. So, it's got 7 reset functions. And we'll do it here so you can see. So, you've got the brake test, oil reset, steering angle sensor reset, battery reset, ABS bleeding, electronic throttle relearn, and DPF regen. All for the price of £169. It really is a no-brainer. Now, we've plugged it in. It goes through 4 different functions. So, we've got quite a lot of cars that it covers for this sort of pricing, and I'm telling you, it's well built. So here we go. And if we go back to the top, instead of faffing around, we'll hit that, boom, picks up the VIN chassis within seconds. Nothing crazy. This is very good as well if you are actually, buying and selling cars. You want to make sure that you have got the right VIN chassis to the logbook, to the VIN chassis stamped to the body of the car. So we can see it's picked it up. All is well. It's reading through the data. So telling us it's Skoda. We're happy. It is a Skoda Fabia, guys. While it's going through this goes through the engine control module, goes through quite a lot of things. So there we are. We can see 8 fault codes within the engine control module. You've got the SRS. You've got a lot of different components that it goes through. So here we are. It's gone through it. Okay, go back. So here we are. I love how it brings it in this sort of format, guys. So we now know why the engine light's on, because of the MAF sensor and the EVAP sensor, which is the fuel trim lean sensor. That's what it's known as. But if you look at the rest, all well. And if we wanted to clear the faults, we hit clear. And then whatever comes back positive, guys, is what really needs work on. So we'll do this and I'll show you. So it says, fine. Okay, we'll go into it. It's a manual, because you have to select the car. This is just Vauxhall. Vauxhall does this on all the diagnostic machines. So once we've read the fault code, that's come back positive out of the 8 fault codes. And I know exactly where that is, and we'll get to it and we'll fix it. But the point here is, guys, this is only £169-ish, depending on the offers they have on. So honestly, if you ask me, you are far better getting this rather than going to the mechanics, because just going to the mechanics and back, it'll cost you more than that. So why not buy this and just do your own stuff, do your own bits and bobs. And the good thing is about this as well, it does 7 reset functions, which we'll do. So in terms of battery test, DPF regen, let's go into it. We'll find out now. So here's the service function, guys. And you've got brake test, oil reset, steering angle sensor reset, battery test, ABS bleeding, electrical throttle relay, DPF regen. Guys, it's no brainer for the price. No brainer. And the good thing is, it's lifetime free update. So enjoy the minute you open the box. Enjoy. Nothing else. I can't really ask for anything much. It is plug and play. Nothing crazy. We've already been through it. You've got the Type-C to charge up. It already charged it up like this as well, as far as I know. So you can see. So while you plugged it into the car, it charges up on the go. So we'll hit enter. So we'll go into the engine control section. It's telling us the part number and whatnot and coding. And then we've got, obviously, you can do the special functions and you can purchase it as well, which is good to have, to be fair. You've got read data stream, which is like live data. If you were going to do the, let's just see if we can get this suit content, guys. Because suit, oh, beautiful. So if you have DPF issues and you want to see the live data, here it is. It tells you in grams. Exactly as we need, guys. This is a high, I'll be honest, something around the £500 mark would kind of give you this offer. However, this is not that expensive, so it really is a no-brainer. So we can do read DTC, that's no faults there, which is good. You can clear the fault code, module information, advanced version as well. And you can do the same with the other components as well, guys. Literally, braking system, the airbag. But we're going to come back out of this. It's really straightforward, nothing crazy, guys. There's literally a few buttons and you're there where you need to be. Software update, don't worry about that. It's free lifetime update, so just enjoy. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing crazy. I don't want to go too much in depth, but if you do have an engine warning light, and instead of spending hundreds and going to the garage and back doing that trial and error run, just grab yourself one, guys. It really is going to pay off. It literally costs probably, I'm not going to say one, but it probably costs you 2 garage runs, and they won't even give you the full information. Sometimes they'll just give you a code and you won't even know what the name is. However, this gives you the fault code, gives you the name, and you can work from there. You can clear it, work on it, clear it, work on it, rather than going back to the garage every now and again. But I'd love to hear your feedback, guys. I want to know what your thoughts are. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can grab one as well. I mean, final conclusion, free lifetime update, only £169. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, you either keep guessing or you take control of your car, or you kind of go to the mechanics and pay more than this, because you got to understand, cars are like trial and error. So you imagine them 8 fault codes, and we kind of went to the mechanic back. He'll charge you 50 quid, 60 quid, 80 quid, 100 quid every now and again. By the time you realise you've spent more than this, and this is with you for life.